morning, everybody. We are we are over in Palm Bay, Florida, going to pick up a new car today.
It's true.
It's true. We're gonna probably.
Oh, fuck.
Oh. Fire truck.
Dang it! I got a yellow light too.
Damn.
Whack.
That sucks. Anyways, yep, getting a new car today. I've got rid of like all my BMWs, so they're gone. I'm getting another. Okay.
It's the 18.
Oh my god, that's awesome. The 18 van just passed. Yeah, so all the BMWs are gone. I decided that I wanted to get another all-wheel drive car. Has a very special motor in it. It's pretty cool. Gonna do quite a few mods to it as well, and it's gonna be fun. Yeah, so we'll get back with you guys when we get to homie's house. Oh, I gotta do directions, so yeah. Oh, there it is.
Oh, look at that.
Oh, there it is. Oh, there it is. What are you gonna do?
Just gonna.
Very nice. Alright, everybody. So, I have gotten a 2004 Mk4 R32. It is a all-wheel drive VR6 6-speed manual car of fucking awesomeness. things
We made it home.
real quick. Oh, we made it home. It's a great trip.
Hold on, let me get back there.
Okay.
All right, let's see.
Get back there.
Let's see how it sounds.
Alright, let's go.